Good day natin guys. Good day dyan sa Pilipinas. Nandito tayo ngayon sa US Virgin Islands guys. Santa Cruz Bay, dito sa St. John. Ito yung mga kadalasang sasakyan guys patuwing nandito sa US Virgin Islands, particularly St. Thomas at saka St. John guys. Yun yung mga taxi nila dito. Ang ganda ng mga teams na ganito na restaurant guys. Sana maganda din ito atin sa Pilipinas. So ayan guys, last kong punta actually dito is like more than 10 years ago, no? Matagal na guys. And I remember when we arrived here, we went out at night guys, no? So madilim ang lugar. And then yan, may mga signs na ganito guys that will prove that we are actually in the US. Alright, so ayan guys, naglalakad lang kami. And nasa ibang company pa ako nung time na yun guys, kaya before Silver Sea. So for me, coming back here is really like remembering the past guys, no? Kasi napakatagal na talaga. I'm happy to be back here. And the next stop supposedly is St. Thomas. Pero in this cruise wala po tayong St. Thomas. Ayan. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Virgin Islands National Park. So ayan guys. So pwede tayong pumasok din guys. May mga museum dyan sa loob. Alright? So ayan guys. Okay, that's our tender. Palabas na. And then this is yung kabuuan ng immediate vicinity ng St. John's dito sa Santa Cruz Bay. Alright? So ayan guys, maalala mo guys na pag nasa US territory ka, meron silang mga signage na ganyan guys ng National Park Service. So ito is actually part of the National Park Service. So yun yung mga sign niya guys patuwing nasa Amerika tayo guys, no? Lalo na yung mga areas na protected by the National Park Service. So yan guys, island na island yung dating dito guys, kasi ang US Virgin Islands kasi guys is made of a lot of islands, no? So ito is just one of those islands guys, the Santa Cruz. Alright, so ayan guys, kahit pa paano meron tayong mga grounds dito na pwede mapaglaruan ng mga kids. Meron din tayong mga bars guys, mostly. Alright, smoothies man dito guys is mga bundok-bundok na. So basically ito lang yung mga flat areas ng island. Ayan guys, ito na naman yung mga typical na mga taxi dito. Look at that. It's very unique guys. Ayan guys, nakita kami ng mga crew guys, naliligo sila dito. So buti na lang, no? They have time to enjoy. Naman yung hospital nila guys, meron silang ambulance dito. Ayan. Alright guys, so ito yung St. John guys, no? Ito yung trademark niya. Marami mga beaches, yachts, and iba pa. So ayun guys, pag napunta tayo dito, punta talaga kayo dito sa St. John in the US Virgin Islands. Guys, nag-prepare na sila ng kanilang mga kanta guys. These are a typical Creole dance and songs and drums. Majority ng population dito guys, mga itim guys, na mga blacks. And ayan, they have this typical accent, like the Caribbean accent. Iba pala yung English nila guys, medyo may konting accent talaga. Yan guys, habang naglalakad dito guys, maamoy mo yung marijuana guys. So I think probably it's legal in this part of United States territory. And guys, I hope you enjoy this quick video of US Virgin Islands here in St. John. And I hope to see you next time somewhere in the Caribbean.